Great day, parents. This is a message from Ms. Perry, your child's math teacher. I want to make you aware of some exciting things that the students are going to be doing going forth in math. Starting next Friday, we're going to start having a math multiplication challenge where they're challenging themselves, and they're really focusing on themselves, trying to make themselves better with math. So we're going to do a lot of different multiplication challenges for them individually, and they are going to chart where they were each week so they can track their own progress on how well they're doing. I will be giving away different prizes to students for various things that they're various things that they're doing in the class. Also, we're going to be doing a boot camp with math. And each question, every Friday, they're going to have like a short quiz, really narrowing, zeroing them down on what they really need to know. And as they get the questions right, they're going to get a percentage on it. And based on their percentage, that's how much fuel they get. So we're going to build it up until probably the beginning of May. I'm trying to play with a date because I have one of the senior engineers at the Toyota plant who's going to come and help them launch a rocket. Okay, so they're working for points because we want them to be proficient, but the engaging piece for them is as they get questions right, they get more fuel in order to launch their rocket in May. Okay, so it's going to be a very exciting time in math. A way that you can help at home is they will have homework every Monday through Thursday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they're going to have homework. I encourage you, because some kids I know they go to the Boys and Girls Club, they go to various daycares or different places, is to have them watch the video before they do the work. Even if they say, oh, I know it, that's good and fine. But when I do videos, there's always some nuggets that I have in there for them to help them have a better understanding, another outlook, or sometimes I throw in some extra credit in there just to see who's watching the video and can bring me back that answer or whatever I may offer on that particular video. So I encourage them to watch the video, then do the homework assignment. Their homework assignment will be all word problems, and they will have a choice, A, B, C, D. So with that format, they cannot just bring me back a paper and have C circled. I need to see their work. What was your thinking? How did you get C? So in case C is not the answer, I can drip, oh, they have this misconception because they thought it was C because, and that can help me better teach them to know, okay, this is not the way to go. This is what you need to do. But I can't do that if they just have answers circled, okay? So my goal is to send home 5 to 7 word problems a night. 3 of the problems will be based on what we're doing currently. So for example, this week we're finishing up on comparing fractions. So their homework is on comparing fractions. So 3 of the problems, not necessarily the first, but 3 of the problems will be what I'm currently teaching in that class. Okay? And 4 problems will be problems that we've done in the past, whether it's multiplication, division, place value, rounding, area perimeter, or measurement. Just to keep spiraling back to make sure they're not forgetting those other skills and strategies that we've learned thus far in the school year. Okay? So it is an exciting time for the students. So again, let me tell you a real quick recap. Every Friday, multiplication challenges. Okay? And this is twofold. Not only can they win prizes as they do this, they're also getting what? Better with multiplication. Next, we're also going to be doing like a short formal assessment every week. And that week, those percentages that we have, this kind of lets me, okay, do we have this? Are we ready to move on? What kids still don't have it? Who do I still need to work with? Okay? So in order to do better and see that improvement on that formal assessment at the end of each week, please watch the videos every night and then do the homework. Okay? Now, based on what their percentage that they get correct, I'll have it broken down. That will determine how much fuel they'll get to go in their rocket. So as each week, it'll build up, build up, build up. Of course, if you have more fuel, what it's going to do? It's going to go higher. Okay? So That way the student is working and in essence helping themselves by working hard. I'm trying to get some challenges because I know it's getting ready to get hot. We tend to get a little bit of spring fever here, and I'm trying to keep them having fun and engagement at the same time we're learning, and everybody's more focused and zoomed in because they have a purpose and they have a cause. Okay, so if you would please work with me in making sure they watch that video. I understand if you have church or something one night, I understand that because I do. Then you may not get to that video, or you may. That's why I put it on YouTube so you can have it on your phone, and they can really, it can be in a car on the way going, going or coming, or what have you, or sometime that week. If you have to miss, a time or whatever, then please within that week have them watch that video. Okay, I started signing that same or similar videos in the mornings, and have them look at that and give them some different problems to go with it. But I think it will make them stronger and better by us working together. Okay, so make sure you can help me on your end, making sure they watch the video, make sure they're doing their homework, make sure they're doing the read, draw, write strategy. That means not just writing the answer, they have to show their work on the paper. Okay, so I'm very excited. And those who are able and are willing, if you would like to send in some treats, it's starting to get hot. Freeze pops are always a good treat for them. I'll say any kind of fruit snack, the gummy bears, anything like that. Anything you want to send, we will surely receive it gladly. And pencils. So if you could please help with that at any time, just send it in. I will be much grateful for that, and so will the students. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you at the challenge.